We've all heard of fairy tales where the moon is made of cheese, but what if we looked up to find it actually was? What would actually happen? Our moon is an 80 quintillion ton, 2,000 mile wide sphere that has a density around 60% that of Earth's. Cheese is less than a third as dense as this, at least mine was when I measured it. As such, in order to contain the same mass, Cheese Moonius would be massive. At least to begin with, before it shrunk somewhat due to its own gravity, it would be a monstrous 107,000 miles across. This is more than 50 times larger. This would look utterly enormous in our sky, truly a cheesy behemoth to behold. This increased size has a side effect. It gives it a far greater surface area upon which to reflect the sun's light. This, further amplified by its bright yellow color, would combine to make the yellow disk appear staggeringly bright in the sky, causing all manner of chaos. A full cheese moon could make a night feel like day, confusing animals, sleep cycles, plant growth, and affecting all manner of things. Inside the moon itself, other changes would be happening. Over time, as pressure builds under the force of its own gravity, its water and chaosan constitution would separate. Denser chaosan moving closer to the core, water drawing out onto the surface. As the pressure increases, the chaosan proteins themselves would begin to break down, releasing nitrogen and ethane that would rise to form a crude atmosphere. With an atmosphere in place to trap sunlight, surface temperatures would rise and become sufficient to sustain liquid water. You know what this means? Moon oceans. Seething oceans would form across its surface, and for a time we'd have a huge, extremely bright, ocean-covered blue and yellow mass to look upon. Unfortunately, this watery cheese moon cannot last for long. Its gravity insufficient to hold on to an atmosphere, it would slowly melt away, taking the pressure and warmth on the surface along with it. The oceans sublimate until all water is gone, leaving behind a carbon-filled shell, a small, dark remnant of the glorious golden satellite it once was. It would be cool though.